What's up, app grinders? Reggie P here. How would you like to make $20 in 20 minutes? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 in 20 minutes over and over again. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 in 20 minutes over and over again. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you how to make $20 in 20 minutes, I want to tell you about a few things I want to offer to you guys. All you have to do is click on the links below that says free giveaways. Now, these free giveaways will help you on your journey to make money online. So just click on the links below where it says free giveaways. Now, I also have a special tool you guys can use to increase your views and subscribers. So if you have a small YouTube channel that you are having trouble getting views and subscribers, this tool will help you. This same tool has helped me increase my channel from 20 subscribers all the way up to 300 subscribers within a month. And it can happen to your channel too. So just click on the link below that says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers for your YouTube channel. Now, lastly, you could check out my membership site. It's called App Grind Patreon. Now, this site, once you join it and become a member, you will be able to get special perks and free prizes on a weekly basis. So you have a chance to win these prizes and get special perks. So just click on the link below that says App Grind Patreon website. All right, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition I want to give to you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make $20 in 20 minutes over and over again. So let's get it.
Okay, I'm on the internet. I'm at this website called Beta Testing. And it says here, early adopters, join the beta tester community, test exciting new products, and get paid to give feedback for new apps, websites, and products. So that's what this website do, and that's what you're going to be doing. And it's easy to sign up. You just put your email address right here to sign up. And let's scroll down here and see how it works. Okay, it says here, join 200,000 plus early adopters across all demographic and interest groups. So #1, test new apps, websites, and hardware. #2, complete tasks, give feedback and bug reports. And #3, earn $10 to $20 for most tests or more. Okay, and here are the companies that they work with. Said beta test new exciting products from companies like Xerox, Typeform, and New York Times. So they work with some top companies here, some big companies. And let's look at the frequently asked questions. Who is eligible to participate? You must be at least 18 years old, must be able to speak and write fluently in English, must own a PC or Mac or any device required for a specific test. And how much money can you make? I know that's the big question that you guys probably been asking. Okay, it says here, beta testing is a fun way to make a few dollars on the side and help impact product development for exciting new products. But it isn't meant to replace a job. The number of tests you receive depends on how many clients match your interests and demographics and your quality feedback history. You may receive anywhere from 0 to 5 opportunities each month. So it's not going to take the place of your job. It's not, and it's not a full-time job, but it's something to make quick money on the side. All right. And here's the last thing. How are payments made? Payments are made via PayPal 7 days after the end of a project. This allows the product owner each time to review, rate, and approve your feedback. So this is how this website works. So if you're interested and want to sign up, go to betatesting.com.
So now you know the website you need to go to right now that will earn you $20 in 20 minutes. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start making that $20 over and over and over and over again. Now, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the proposition I want to offer to you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 lucky people free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick that comment and reward that person with $20 cold hard cash or a $20 Amazon gift card. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 PayPal money. So all you have to do is leave that comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Now, we don't have that far to go. I'm at 315 as far as subscribers. So it's not really that much to go. If we can all my new people subscribe right now, and please drop that comment, and we can get there in no time so I can give this free money to 2 lucky people. All right, that's all I have for this video. So please smash that like button and leave a comment down below, and share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and Reddit. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, that's it. I'm gone. Finito, finish. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can watch my most recent video right here, right after I tell you this. Go get your grind on, because our grind is real. Now go watch that video. Peace.
This is Grind TV.